Hi guys, today I'm gonna make pita with banana and milk. Come. The first ingredient is milk. I added the banana to the pot. This will take half an hour to make. I'm gonna add some salt. Add 4 square bread to the mix. You should mix all of them together. Add skimmed milk to the mix. Add some sugar. Now adding some rice flour. It should look like this. It is really hot right now. We're waiting until it becomes room temperature. Adding some oil to your hand. Make sure your oil is this high in the pan. Use this to make an outlet on the circle. It should look like this. Add this to the oil. You should stir the banana bread. It looks so crispy. Look at the banana bread. It melts in your mouth. Guaranteed, when you make this, you will eat this whole plate in 30 minutes. It's so delicious. Try it out for yourself. It looks very crispy and nice. I hope you guys enjoy it. Goodbye. Thank you.